What separates a good character design from a great one? Are you ready to find out? Wouter Hort, also known as Wookie, illustrates incredible characters for a living. And in this new Learn Squared course, using a blend of 2D and 3D techniques, he's going to teach you to conceptualize, build, and finally illustrate amazing characters from the ground up. Think of your favorite pop culture hero. What would they never leave home without? Whether it's a sword, a motorcycle, or a whip, this signature element helps make them into who they are. And that's why this course will not only help you to design a person, but also an iconic prop to go along with them. Because compelling characters, combined with the right signature items, can tell a story that words just can't.
I like to just go for a run and shamelessly pretend that I'm the character. I don't care if the character is a man, woman, robot, or whatever. I'm them. We can use this as an anchor point to later on make confident decisions about the actual look of what we're designing.
Do you have a problem delivering speedy work to clients? Wouter will teach you to build what he calls the character creator, where you can quickly change out costume parts, hairstyles, and other traits so art directors can easily find the look they like best. Which are you more comfortable in? 2D, 3D, a mix of both? Whichever you answered, Wouter has you covered. He doesn't just create one concept during this course, he delivers several finished designs, all utilizing different methods. So clear your schedule, because I'm telling you now, after watching this, you're going to want to get up and start creating things. Sign up today and begin your journey at LearnSquared.com.